aga jiri nyumba town in Chomenyo. Why is that normal? You know, I don't understand. Why is it normal that you munda go jaga tebi na aga jiri nyumba get no many? Those houses they are building, they are not telling you which school they are going to put there. They are not telling you whether there's a sewage system to work. They are saying they are decongesting the town. Decongesting the town when you are bringing 5,000 igari. Where we have never, even the members of the county assembly, affordable housing in the town center. Who said you can't put it as a joke? Nyamtokoweka nyamachi malimuta ya county. Tokoweka no nyu sune kama.
President yagu ngama ya affordable housing no ni kuna ODM what the agenda here.
Yes, but we are going to do it within the law. The Auditor General said last week 95% of all the affordable housing units have no title deeds. Is that normal? Yakundi. Is that normal? Kisii University eri gari alika tu aliko gaenda turi chives to veke gali tu agajira wana chi hostel is ba komenya ngakere Ruto chinko binge president ya agajira wana bataka chi hostel ne nyumba kwa gaje nyumba yigo takete kirwa kana 54,000 shillings a month. Umenya kwa yemenya hii. What? Mboli swali linga. Kuna wankondi buoka wara kenege yo.
But there are people planted everywhere.
Barabi.
The housing.
Ata nyumba chichi no bakondi. Jirine project jaro setibwe ngo supply simiti ne president ngo supply chuma nere ngo supply material basani bai yakuni kwa yana nyoro mondo ya mo ko te ngango korale kwa gaje nyumba ya affordable housing anyway njina ya nyoro ni nyumba chiaga chiwe. They have received 96 billion shillings in the last 3 years for affordable housing, but they have built only 4,000 units. But you will see them saying in the paper they have actually the intended purpose, we are going to build 295,000 units. Which ones? It's another scam. Hello. Yani tura understand Kenya ngekuru Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme niki organize pyramid y'abantu kibese kikuba gukorugoro wojanse. Tiko rabando ba UDA karabo bwa kibese rike serikali nkiba bubiye. Bara wake chingo buchunkumbi chimbe. They are entitled. They feel they are entitled to this money. When you ask critical questions, ekarogo uzingi omuziyaka nyolere bonus 10 shillings, lakini central abantu bane bakanyola 70 shillings baba David. Na yo senator makaye ndobulye. But you fools are in government. You are the ones who are supposed to tell us what the tea policy is versus maganaki. Makane bonus. You are the one who's supposed to tell us inki mokolera obuoyo 4,900 when some places they're getting at 3,000. You are the ones who are supposed to do the monitoring and scientific evaluation with the soil content. Whether that tea is doing well or not. And then you keep telling us in the total opposition to when the volume is sort of fixed. And you go fix and now and well muino. Now well muino nama amiok. Think on the choke, can you?